In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use one of these dead lighters and a piece of tissue paper to start a fire. It's great for survival situations because when these lighters run out of gas, usually they still have the flint and steel still left at the top, which can be used to start a fire still. So I'll show you exactly how that's done. So your first step is you need to take your lighter and roll the little steel part on top of a piece of paper, and little pieces of the flint will fall onto the paper. So that's it for this video. I basically just taught you a skill that will save your life one day. So you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. That's the least you can do. And apart from that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.